Assurance engagement risk. What is assurance engagement risk? Risk that practitioner expresses an inappropriate conclusion when the subject matter information is materially misstated. The risk that a practitioner expresses on inappropriate conclusion. So when a subject matter is materially misstated. Okay. Then inappropriate conclusion express who is expressing practitioner. The risk that practitioner expresses an inappropriate conclusion. What he is stating that the practitioner may do something wrong. He want to give some opinion. The opinion should be true and fair. That is the objective of an auditor. But he thinks that when he able to give a opinion which is not not correct, that creates a risk. That is assurance engagement risk. You want to give a good opinion, but if that information is given is materially misstated, that may lead to given expression of an opinion which is not true and fair. That is inappropriate conclusion. That is assurance engagement.